Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So this is gonna be week 2 of the reverse diet, and tomorrow we start eating 2,400 calories. So I do have to go into the office, so I wanted to show you guys how I meal prep and take all this food with me so that I can still hit those macros. But yes, so we have breakfast going on here. I have 4 different days of breakfast. So we have overnight oats, eggs, bananas, coconut water, and all that. So I'm gonna share on the screen what the macros are for one of these. And then we also have 2 different lunches prepared. So I have chicken with some sweet potato, kind of roasted sweet potatoes, all in the air fryer. We have zucchini, and I'll show the macros of what this one is on the screen. And then I like to have options because I don't want to eat chicken for 4 days straight. So I did ground beef, rice, and some zucchini as well, and I'll show the macros for those. So basically, I'm gonna cook all this and kind of show you my day. But I wanted to start a day early from this week because I wanted to show you that it takes a lot of prep to make sure that you hit these goals. So sometimes on a Sunday, just make sure you go do your grocery shopping, make sure you do your meal prep, and then you don't have to think about it in the week, and you can just focus on your workouts and get it done. All right, you guys, so we're gonna get breakfast going. So I'm gonna do breakfast and lunch meal prep because dinner, sometimes I like to eat different things. So first things first, I'm gonna do hard-boiled eggs and overnight oats for breakfast. And then the eggs, I like to do hard-boiled just because it's super easy if you're going into the office to throw that and you can crack the egg and eat it, and you don't have to worry about like scrambling it or figuring all that out. So first things first, I'm just gonna start off with boiling the eggs. So we're gonna just get that going, and then I'm going to meal prep this and then throw this in the fridge, and then breakfast will be done. When you need my I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need my voice. Sweet. Sweet. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice. All right, so now that we have everything prepped, the fun part is also getting a fun, nice little lunchbox. So sometimes meal prep can feel intimidating, but you can make it fun with like buying nice new little Tupperwares, getting a nice little lunchbox, and making it, you know, cute. With this lunchbox, I'm gonna put like my breakfast stuff up here, and then I can actually put my lunch on the bottom. So you wanna get a good lunchbox that has a good amount of size. So I'm gonna put this one down here. And then I'm gonna take my eggs and overnight oats. I'll probably put the overnight oats in here too. So I got some good overnight oats. Ooh. We'll put that one on top too. So that's nice and safe. And then we're gonna close these blueberries as well. So I got blueberries, overnight oats, that's on there. And then on the top, I like to wrap my eggs in paper towel so that way when I crack it at work, I can just take the paper towel and throw it away. So wrap the eggs in. Got a banana for some extra carbs. I love a little coconut water. You can put this here, or I also like to buy a lunchbox with like a side little pouch. So if you want to bring like your coffee or your water, you can kind of fit that in there. But for this one, I'm just gonna put this up here. So there you go. And then you're all ready for work. Alrighty, good morning, you guys. Welcome to Monday. So yesterday we meal prepped. the day before I went grocery shopping to a ranch in Julian. So I live in San Diego, and we went to a ranch in Julian, and it was super cool because they had, you know, grass-fed, no hormone, more natural type of meat, just because I know the grocery stores here, God knows what they put in our meat and our food. So it was actually really cool to get more locally sourced meat. So we got a lot of that. Sorry if you're shaking here, I'm getting used to the whole filming in here. So I'm gonna show a couple clips of that as I'm talking, but yeah, that was really cool. And that's some of the meat that we cooked yesterday for meal prep. And you'll see kind of in the following upcoming videos. But this morning I took my measurements, so I'm gonna put the measurements on the screen. Pretty much everything was the same as expected. Honestly, when it comes to doing measurements, if it's your first week, I was already eating about around 2,300 calories already. So like that would have been maintenance for me. So no change in weight. And then lifting wise, I kind of got back into it, but I did super light. But I will be utilizing progressive overload. So I'm very excited to eventually, you know, see some growth, see some change. But yeah, so that's where we're at this morning. I wanted to just give you guys an update. I want to update you guys every week on my weight and my measurements so that you're, you know, so you can see if this is working or if it's a bunch of horse crap. So yeah, so we are going to my 9 to 5 right now. It's about 7 in the morning. I like to get to work around like 7:50 or 7:20, 7:30. And yes, it's gonna be a beautiful day. And then I will have a little workout later that I will show you guys. But next week, I'm gonna focus more on like lifting. I'm gonna show you guys really what I do in the gym and how I'm gonna utilize progressive overload and my favorite workouts for legs and shoulders and back and all that good stuff. So yes, thank you for coming with me this morning. And I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful day.